Howdy. Okay, so I've always been a fan of applying marketing psychology principles to your email or SMS messaging. Okay, it's such a powerful thing. Why? Because you directly influence a buyer's decision-making process. Okay. We all know this one, okay, the paradox of choice in marketing. So if you give people too many choices, let's say a menu where there's food items and there's 500 food items, it's very difficult to pick something, and sometimes you end up not, ordering from that restaurant. You go to another restaurant where there's 6 options and it's easy for you to pick. You don't feel overwhelmed. You don't question your choices, your buying, and so forth. Now, these are all tapping into, marketing psychology, buying decision-making factors, the cognitive side of things. Now, using ChatGPT, you can absolutely rework your email and SMS messaging to fit some of these marketing principles. Let me show you. I have prompt ChatGPT to make a list of 20 marketing psychology principles. Okay, the output needs to be a table format. I want the column 1 to be the marketing psychology principle, column 2 to be a definition of that principle, and then the third column is I want ChatGPT to rework my subject line to, of course, match that particular marketing psychology principle. So this is a subject line that I've taken from a brand. They sell socks and workout clothing. New gripper socks for workouts. Now, if you look at some of the results here, let's say for argument's sake, commitment and consistency. Once people commit to something, they're more likely to go through with it. The reworked subject line, join the fitness revolution, commit with gripper socks. Okay, so you can see how it taps into people's cognitive decision-making process. Social proof. People will do things they see other people do. Everyone's switching to gripper socks for workout. See why? It's like, who's everyone? I don't want to be left behind here. Bandwagon effect. Authority. People will follow the lead of credible, knowledgeable experts. The top trainers recommend gripper socks for enhanced workouts. It's like, wow, okay. The top trainers. Now, within your email, you could feature some of these top influential trainers, them wearing the workout socks. So instead of just being generic and you've got some workout socks within your email, imagine having the top trainers feature the socks. Now you can go top trainers recommend. Imagine your preview text saying, I don't know, Michael Jordan bought 2 pairs last week. Like, holy crap, top trainers, Michael Jordan purchased them 2 weeks ago. This is what I need. Scarcity, of course, limited edition gripper socks. Get yours before they're gone. Anchoring, start your workout right. Gripper socks outperform the rest. Fear of missing out. Don't miss out. Gripper socks are the workout game changer. You get what I'm saying. Loss aversion, stop losing your footing. Secure your grip with socks for people that struggle with finding the right socks when they do running on mountains and they feel like their feet are constantly slipping. This will get them to convert. So marketing psychology principles, apply it to your email and SMS messaging, and you will definitely reap the benefits of it. And ChatGPT, tap into it. Brilliant tool.